Carlos would like to apologize to you guys for all of the noise that he's gonna make during this video.
Hi.
What?
Sorry for all the noise in the water and whatever. Okay, bye. Bye.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a current favorites video. I haven't done this in probably almost 2 months now, maybe. I wanted to sit down and share with you guys a few of my current favorites. I'm really excited when it comes to the bags and the shoes because they are brand new. So they're currently on the website right now. I'll list everything down below in the description bar in case you guys are interested in any of these items. But I want to show you one bag that I'm really excited about. It's this little baby right here. This is from Zara, and I don't know the name of the bag, but I literally have been stalking the Zara website for literally maybe 2 to 3 weeks now. I even put my email in so they will notify me when it's available, and Zara never did, so I thought that was kind of rude. But I checked the website literally at 3 in the morning and it was officially available online, so I bought it ASAP pronto. How cute is this bag for spring and summer? It's absolutely adorable. I just got it in the mail literally 3 hours ago, so this is kind of like an unboxing video in a way. When you turn the bag, it opens like this, and this is the inside. Oh, and I guess it has a gold chain if you don't want to hold it the other way. But I'm really excited to use this bag this weekend. I think this is going to be so cute if it closes. It's just so adorable. I love it so much. I'm really into this design this season. It's like this, how do you say this, straw design? I don't know, but I have a white one that I used in a picture I think last week. I saw this one and I just had to have it. The gold detailing with the black, so cute. And I'm really into holding my bags like this. So I've been mentioning Deck of Scarlet for probably a year and a half now. I'm trying to think back to when I first worked with them. I think it's like a year and a half now. You guys have seen some tutorials from me using some of their palettes, and then you guys have seen me mention it in some of my favorites videos. So this is no surprise to you guys. I'm partnering up with Deck of Scarlet again for this video to talk about palette number 7. I cannot believe they already have 7 palettes. So if you guys don't know much about Deck of Scarlet, it's a subscription palette that you can purchase every 2 months. I think it's $29.95 every 2 months, and you can cancel whenever you want. One of my favorite things about them is that they collaborate with a YouTuber every other month, which is super cool because it gives the YouTuber a chance to create, which I think is such a great opportunity. This is what the palette looks this month, or palette number 7. It is so pretty. I haven't gotten a chance to use it yet, but of course I'm not going to be surprised that formulation is amazing. We have blush, bronzer, or is that bronzer or highlight? I think it's a highlight bronzer. We have blush, bronzer slash highlight. It has a little bit of a glow to it, and then we have 3 eyeshadows and 2 lippies, and then I believe there are 2 lip liners. It's always a palette and then some add-ons. I think this color combination is so pretty. I really like the pop of blue here. I feel like colors are really coming back in, which I think is so cool. I love their formulation. For $29.95 every other month, you get really good quality eyeshadows and really good quality products. This is great for beginners if you want to really enhance your collection, or maybe try to play with certain colors, or just practice. This is a great subscription to have. I really want to put this blush on my face and see how, oh, that's pretty. I wanted to see how it looks. I love blush. That's so pretty. This blush is called Lovesick. That's such a pretty color, you guys. And then I want to see, oh, that's definitely like a highlight color. I want to swatch this blue. Ooh. This is the brown right here. And then we have this really nice cool tone brown, which is going to be great for contouring. And then for my pinky, I just want to dip into this. I love their lip products. I've talked about it before. It is so nice. I will link my other videos down below that I've used other Deck of Scarlet palettes because they are so amazing. So that's why I'm like, I'm not really surprised, because their formula is always good. Another product that I've been loving are these Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine, I believe. My favorite color is called Back Talk. There are literally, I don't know how many colors there are, but the collection is huge. I like a lot of them, more on the neutral side, you guys know me, but Back Talk is one of my favorites. I've been wearing this a lot. I'm gonna put it on for you guys so you can see. I like it because it has this cooling minty feel. It also smells extremely minty, but it's not too overpowering where you get an extreme headache. And I like that there's pigmentation, but it's not like too much pigmentation like the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip glosses. That's like really opaque lip glosses. This just gives you a really nice shine with a tint of color, which I like. And I like that you can wear it alone or on top of another product. So, and it's not sticky at all. It feels really hydrating and moisturizing. And I love the smell. This product is actually a product that you guys have recommended to me all over Twitter and Instagram when I announced that, well, I didn't, like, it's not a special announcement. I told you guys that I was trying new skincare and that Kiehl's was one of them. And you guys were like, you have to go get this midnight thing. So I went and got the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate. It's literally this oil base that you put all over your face before bed, and you literally wake up with the softest skin in the world. So thank you so much to you guys for recommending this. I love it. A little bit goes a long way, so don't be too scared of the price, because I feel like this is gonna last you for a pretty long time. But I always put this on at night before I go to bed, just for extra hydration, and it doesn't feel too oily in the morning, which is a great feeling, and it doesn't get all over my bed as well. So if you're looking for a serum that's gonna give you a lot of hydration because you have like dry skin, this is really gonna help. So if you guys watch my eyebrow routine video, the easy affordable one that I posted, if you haven't, I'll link it down below for you guys. I mentioned this brow pencil. It is so amazing. This is the e.l.f. Cosmetics brow pencil, but it's actually called the e.l.f. Cosmetic Instant Lift brow pencil. I just don't know why it's not written on here, but I have it in the darkest color, which I believe is deep brown / black or something like that. This is so good, and it's only $3, you guys. This is brand new because I just got it at Target literally like 5 hours ago because I ran out. But it is so amazing. It's really easy to apply, really easy to blend, and super easy to clean up. The other side has a spoolie as well, and I like these because then you don't have to sharpen them. It's kind of like the ones where you turn it up and down like that. Such a good eyebrow pencil. Like, I have been using this over my Benefit, and you guys know I love my Benefit Precisely my brow pencil, but this one is just as good, and it's only $3. Side note, I just checked the website and it says $2, so even better. Last but not least, for cosmetics, I just wanted to mention that I just recently discovered the lashes that I collaborated with Cake Face Beauty on. These are the Lion-Hearted lashes. I cannot believe it's been a year. Like, this past March, I believe, was the 1-year anniversary for Lion-Hearted. I cannot say thank you enough to you guys for always supporting me and supporting Lion-Hearted. I know how much you guys love it. But if you guys are interested, I just dropped my own lashes. They are available right now on the website. I know they're always out of stock. They're available right now on the website, so I'll put a link down below if you guys have been wanting to get your hands on Lion-Hearted. Okay, onto the really exciting stuff. We have 2 pairs of shoes and 4 bags that I want to show you super quick. They're so cute. You're going to be seeing me rock them a lot this spring and summer on Instagram, so you guys are going to get the first look. Waist bags are really in, aka fanny packs. I don't know, Zara calls them waist bags because they're bougie like that. But I got these from Zara. How cute. So if you guys don't know what fanny packs are, basically it goes around your waist. This is where your body goes, and they're so cute, they're chic, they're convenient, and if you look really hard you'll find cute styles like this one. This one kind of reminds me of Versace, but it's not Versace price, that's for sure. I think these Zara bags range around 30 to 50 bucks, but they're really good material, you guys. I own a few, and let me just tell you, I love them. This kind of reminds me of the Gucci material and the Gucci design. But this one flips up like this, and then here is the zipper. It also comes with this, which you can make this into a crossbody bag, which is super convenient. But I got this in black. This would be really cute with a pair of jeans. And just like a t-shirt, super simple, or you can dress it up as well. I got it in black and red. I thought the pop of color would be really nice for the spring and summertime. But again, these two are from Zara if you're looking for really nice waist fanny pack bags, or you can turn into crossbody bags. I'm really excited for these two because they're kind of similar but different designs. So I'm gonna start off with this. How beautiful is this bag, you guys? I don't own anything like this. I don't have any bags that have this style, and I'm really into it this season. This is so freaking pretty. I don't know if you guys can see, but basically this here, these two connect, and then you kind of just hold it like that. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. And it's super spacious on the inside. You can fit so much, and I'm just not a person who carries a lot. I usually just carry my camera, phone, wallet, and then like eyelash glue and lip gloss. That's basically it. But this is so adorable, and it's like the perfect size, and I just love how detailed everything is on it. This one is a similar style, but it's a different design. So there is a handle here, and this is more of a crossbody, so this chain is pretty long. But I just want to show you guys how beautiful this design is. It's gonna look so pretty with the sun on it and in pictures. I'm really into this. It's so cute. I love it. Okay, last but not least, I tweeted about this over the weekend. Adidas is having a huge discount on, well, not like huge, I'm exaggerating. It's like maybe 30 to 40% off on some of the shoes. I know that I ordered one pair and they were originally $100 and I got them for $54. So I mean, it's a pretty good deal, especially because Adidas does not do a lot of sales. So during the sale, I scored these NMDs, which is so crazy because I've been wanting these colors for literally the last year and a half, especially when they came out. I've been wanting them. They're like a nice beige, nude, rosy undertone. They're so cute. NMDs are really, really comfortable if you're looking for comfortable Adidas shoes. But I just wanted to show you guys. These, when they came out, were I think 180, and I scored it for I think 80 or 90 bucks. So, and they had my size, which was a miracle because Adidas never has my size. I'm a size 6 in shoes, and I can never find my size shoes in the shoes that I want. But these are the ones that I got. So cute. I love them. I can't wait to wear them. Okay, last but not least, literally the last thing I'm going to mention in this video. You guys recommended this to me within the last week, and I cannot thank you enough. These are the Adidas Ultra Boost. I literally have not been able to shut up about them on Twitter. They are amazing. I had tweeted out about a week or maybe, yeah, a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, and I said I really need comfortable kind of like athletic shoes that I can walk around in or run in, whatever it may be, and you guys were like, you have to get the Adidas Ultra Boost. And when I saw them, they were 180, and I was like, that's kind of expensive, but I gave in and I ordered them. These are my first pair. They are so freaking comfortable. Okay, I'm just literally dropping everything. They're so comfortable. I cannot explain to you how comfortable the bottom of this shoe feels. It literally feels like you're walking on clouds. I love them, and I love them so much that I ordered other colors too. That's how obsessed. I've never been able to find a shoe that fits my foot perfectly, so this one is amazing. I'll definitely link it down below for you guys. Okay, friends, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys love some of these items. I will try my best to lick. I will try my best to link all of the items down below for you guys. I'm really excited about the purses. I cannot wait to put outfits together and post on Instagram. It's gonna be super exciting. Well, the sun is setting, so I no longer have natural lighting. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you so much. Oh, and stay tuned because I have a graduation makeup tutorial coming and a very exciting announcement on May 1st. I love you guys so much, and I will see you then. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Love you. Bye.